All right, we got a video going here.
Yeah.
Big steamer. Can't see the water level in there. In the
Are you
sight
put this
glass.
on your YouTube channel?
I could. I would.
That would be pretty cool.
You could put it on yours, Rob. You have one.
I do.
Wait, you do? Oh yeah, you do.
Get a view from this side, the power engine side. Awesome.
Okay. We'll drive the car back.
There's the engineer right there,
Yeah.
or the fireman. Are you the fireman? You must be the fireman, and the engineer, because you loaded coal in it.
I am the fireman.
Yes, I see that. Modern. Working good. Slowing down a little bit now.
Yeah, should we refuel it?
Yeah, started videoing again.
I'm gonna play the whistle.
You can use your fingers. It won't hurt. It won't hurt. Yeah, there you go. Push it.
I'm just worried about the
Running out
steam.
of steam.
Yeah.
Okay, so turn it off and we'll see if they can get the engine running again. Oh, we ran out of steam.
Oh, come on. The water's good.
Yeah,
Oh, oh.
it's ready to rock and roll now. Oh, it goes both ways. I didn't realize it went that way as well. It just had to build up a little more steam.
Dad,